My third video today. I'm losing my mind. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a story for you. So I'm now an Ulta employee, which has been great. I have last Saturday, I don't know when you guys are going to see this, so it was the first Saturday in April. Anyway, so they had me on cashiering, and it was so fun. I hit my groove, and I had everybody smiling and laughing and happy about being at Ulta and getting makeup, and it was so fun. I was so high energy, which really is not, hasn't been me recently. I love it there. I can't wait to go back. I work again on Friday and Saturday, just doing weekends till the semester ends. So, anyway, one of the perks of being an Ulta employee is that you get a 25% discount on all merchandise, all products. And you get 50% off on all services, including the Benefit Brow Bar and the Dry Bar, is that what it's called? Where they do your hair? And facials and the Clinique and all of that. I haven't taken advantage of those yet, but I have used my 25% off a few times. For Easter, the Easter Bunny / my mother gave me a $25 gift card to Ulta. This was before I had even applied for the job. So I was laying in bed doing some math. Usually I spend my gift cards on a bunch of things. I get a bunch of little small things and a bunch of stuff from the clearance section and something that I need and just a bunch of little things. And I talked about it with the girls that I work with, and they're like, get something big that you wouldn't normally justify spending the money on. So I decided that I wanted to get the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This palette is normally $42, but with my 25% discount, it was $31.50. And using my $25 gift card on top of that, this palette cost me $8.99. This is my first Anastasia palette. They're always $42, and that has just been too much for me to justify to spend on a makeup anything. So what you get are 14 shades, including Essential Mattes and Glam Shimmers. I have heard that there are several repeats from the Modern Renaissance palette, which is a cult classic. I have not used that palette myself. This one spoke to me more because it is more neutrals with browns and golds and shimmers than with the vibrant pink shades that are in the Modern Renaissance. So let's open her up. I have been waiting for a day and a half. It's just been sitting there on my dresser because I wanted to open it up on camera for the first time. So I waited just for you guys. It's so soft. It's like a felty. I hear that they get dirty really quickly and there's no real easy way to clean them, but I will do my best to keep it clean myself. I have kept most of my other palettes looking pretty pristine, but they're not felt that just like hold on to color. So I'm gonna put my mirror right here because I want to see exactly what it looks like when I open it up. Okay, there's a protective sheet, which I might keep. I might keep the protective sheet in there just to help keep the shadows from getting everywhere. Let's open her up. Oh, I dropped the brush fell out. Shit. Okay, so it does. It comes with a brush. A double-sided brush. I just want to open the palette. Okay, it comes with a duo-ended brush. One is a buffer packing brush, and the other is a blending brush. They're very soft. And nice. Okay, come on, it's time to actually open the palette. Let's open the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. It's magnetized, which is different. Oh! That's stunning! I'm sorry, I'm not trying to blind you. Look at those colors. Okay. Wow. So it comes with a nice mirror. And this little ribbon, I don't know what it's for, but the brush goes in there just fine. Okay, let's give you a good close-up. Here's what it looks like. Okay. It's already dirty. I haven't even touched anything yet. Yeah, this is gonna get filthy. I already have my eye makeup done, so I am going to use this probably Friday before I go to work. When I bought this, my cute coworker, I don't know her name yet, but she was like, you better wear that when you work next. And I was like, okay. So I'll do like a get ready for work with me on Friday. So then you can see what look I do with it first. I want to do some swatches. This palette's going to get filthy and it's going to make me so sad. My mirror back here trying to finagle this. So let's take Tempera. Whoa, those are creamy. Glistening. Orange Soda. Rose Pink. And Sultry. Here is Tempera. Glistening. Orange Soda. I'm not very good at swatches, you guys. I don't want to press hard. So, okay, Orange Soda. A nice orangey matte. Oh, I can't believe how soft these are. Rose Pink. Whoa. Okay, sorry. Ah, but not. Okay, and Sultry. Oh my gosh. Those metallics are incredible. I'm not going to swatch the whole palette. Well, I could. Let me go wash my fingers. I'll be right back. Oh, I can't even believe how gorgeous this is. This is beautiful. So here is, this is hard. Bronze. Mulberry. Whoa. Dusty Rose. Fairy. Ooh. Burnt Orange. Okay, I'll do the last four right here. Sienna. Rustic. Cypress Umber. And Noir. Oh, look at that. That is a beautiful black. Okay, you guys. I'm like shaking. I'm so excited about this palette. Ah, look how beautiful. I can't wait to use that one, and 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 that one. Ah! I mean, and I like to store my palettes in their containers anyway. I am so excited. I can't wait to use this palette. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Unbelievably pigmented too. Okay, so that swatch video was really long, so I'm going to do my first impressions tutorial another time. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out on my first impressions tutorial on the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good day. Bye. Yeah, you're asking for it with every breath that you breathe in. Just breathe it in. Yeah, well, you're just a man. So now let's see you walking. Let's see you walking. So, who is here? Is that Jesse? Oh, okay. I didn't know he was still coming. So.
Definitely not Jesse. Oh, hey, can I
Not Jesse, I never invited you over. I'm sorry, dude, but whoever you are,
Can I like?
if you see someone who looks just
Can I
like you,
hang-
tell them to
Can
come
I
over.
hang out still?
What's your name?
Jose.
Jose?
Juanito.
Josue.
Josue! Come on in, Josue.
Josue.
You guys are weird.
This is my friend Josue.
Hello.
Just met him.
Hey, I'm
He
Josue.
looks like Jesse, sounds like Jesse, but he's not Jesse. He's Josue.
He's wearing shorts. I've never seen Jesse in shorts before.
Yeah, I wouldn't
say
say soccer
Jesse,
today.
though. This is Josue.
For the
Sorry.
first time in,
How was soccer, Josue?
I got murdered.
You're gonna be sore tomorrow.
Correct, Josue.
We actually won like 8-1, but I mean,
You're gonna be sore tomorrow.
I like ran so hard. Like, in comparison to the other people around me, I wasn't running that hard. But for me, I hadn't ran in like 7 months, or like done any like physical activity since like one of my last. I didn't do workout with my last companion, at all. And I like didn't even finish the game. Like the game's still going. We're like wrecking the other team, but I'm just like dying, and I just go. I'm like, all right, I'm done. Garbage can.
Yeah.
Murdered that garbage can.
Ew.
He asked if I wanted to join him, but she's recording, and so I told him afterwards. But
Let's do it though.
I just need to finish.
he needs to finish recording.
I wouldn't. Yeah, so I was gonna just go to the movie right after, right? But then, yeah, whatever. And so I just went and got my computer, so it took me a little longer. But
Well, we could go like grab something to eat or something when she finishes. I'm not sure if you
yeah,
want
let's
to
do that.
hungry, but
Sounds good.
I'm
Where are you going?
not like super hungry and I don't want to spend a lot of money, so maybe just like one of these or McDonald's or
Yeah,
something.
I just want a frosty, dude.
Okay, let's go one of these two. One of these.
Just chicken sandwich and some fries. Just off the dollar menu.
Just those are two.
What?
Do you want like a 4 for $4? So it's fries and a sandwich and nuggets and a drink? Or do you want just those?
Yes, that sounds fine. But I'm not drinking soda, so get me a lemonade.
I need to stop drinking soda too.
Alright, stop drinking soda, Jesse.
I was gonna get like a can of like.
Okay, so I didn't know he was coming over. Where were we? Okay. And I hear that these get really dirty really quickly, but oh, I have to sneeze. Oh, please do it. Ugh. I thought about it too much. Damn it. That was gonna be a good one. What? Why am I suffering? Okay. Ready? Is there lipstick on my teeth? There's a shit ton of lipstick on my teeth. What the hell? I don't want to start over again. Forgive me. I always have lipstick on my teeth because when my lips are closed, the top lip is a little bit bigger, but when I smile, it disappears and so it rubs on my teeth. Okay. I'm disgusting. burping up like peppers and cheese and garlic and shit. And put that right back. Put that thing right back where it came from, Marcel. Help me.